When you log in into the POPR portal, you select the student option if you're a student with a status. You sign in with your digital UL identity. The login page then opens. If you accidentally open it in the wrong language, you can customize it at the bottom of the page. On the first page, you will find a current greeting message, recommended events at work, a summary of your application, and suggested pathways. If you are interested in what events are available, click on Search and select Events. Now you can see current events. When you find the one that interests you, click on it and you can choose the details. You click Book Now button and you fill out the form. Then you click Submit. Only then your application will be recorded into the system. To browse published job offers, also click Search and select Opportunities section. A list of current job offers opens up. When you find a job that interests you, click on it and additional information will open up for you. In the application details, you will find information on how to apply, either by email or via the website. You can also search between different pathways. Pathways are a tool to help you gain new knowledge, develop skill, or educate. Once you find a pathway that interests you, open the preview to see what you will have to do. Here is a more detailed plan on what this pathway will look like. You click Continue and then choose the pathway that interests you. For example, what you have to know before you go abroad. You click View Event. And if this is something that you would like, you click Add to Waiting List. And fill out the form. When you fill it out, click Submit and confirmation will appear. To sign up for counseling, click on Book and select Appointments. Various counseling options open up for you. If you click View Appointment, you will find dates that are or are not available. You choose the one that suits you the most and fill out the form and add different files if necessary. Now you can see events that you choose to attend, and if you cancel some of them, it will also be written here. The same goes with appointments. And also pathways that you choose to attend.